cool landscape shot. Perforated pan, whole wheat burrito tortilla, sauce, the God cheese, aka Provel, St. Louis cheese. Oh, turkey pepperoni from yours and truly, HEB.
The St. Louis style pizza, baby. Hell yeah. First off.
All right, let's get this pizza started. First off, throw down that sauce. Sauce is the basis to any type of pizza, no matter where in the country you are. Then Provel cheese, ooey gooey Provel cheese, turkey pepperoni for flavor, and then we're already freaking done. Look at that pizza. This pizza only takes like 45 seconds to make because Provel cheese is not a normal cheese. It's a cheese that was invented by the gods that grew up in the rural areas of St. Louis and decided to combine cheddar with provolone and Swiss to make a cheese that will freaking mortar together the Great Wall of China. Look how gooey that is. You could build a hut out of cheese and pepperoni, and then you could eat it.
What is up, guys? So we had the St. Louis pizza. I went up to Missouri about a month ago and I bought a ton of Provel. So Provel is a special cheese that is only made in St. Louis. It's 3 different cheeses that kind of get together and they have a party and then they give birth to another cheese that's something different entirely. It's like American cheese, but it's not. It's totally different. It's very gooey, very gooey. It's so good. Oh man, that's pretty freaking good. It's very soft. And then look at that. Look at that cheese. That's pretty good. Wow. You can only get this in St. Louis. St. Louis style pizza. So gooey. This is the kind of pizza that gets stuck in your teeth. Ooh, I didn't chew that good enough. It went down. Oh, it went down like a wrecking ball. Oh. The key with this cheese is you just want to melt it. You don't want to get it burnt. But look, we're gonna pull off one of the middle slices that are just cheesy as f***. I won't even pull apart. Look at that. Here we go. One bite, everybody knows the rules. Look at that. Very soft. Holy crap. This is the last slice. The final slice of cheese. Very gooey, very gooey. This is absolutely delicious. Absolutely. Oh, you guys already know. This is Whole Wheat Wizard. That was the St. Louis style pizza made with a secret cheese that nobody knows how it's made. I mean, I can barely talk right now because I'm like a chipmunk because this cheese is so freaking thick. But that was the St. Louis style pizza. If you can get a hold of some Provel cheese, buy it. You can order on the black market, I think, but get it, put it on a pizza with some sauce, a little bit of pepperoni, and you're good to go. But I will see you guys next time. Whole Wheat Wizard out. Triple W, baby. I made too many little squares, but